Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops on mobile. First, you will need to download the official Call of Duty mobile application from your device's app store. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Once installed, create a new account or log in with an existing one to save your game progress. Then, complete the brief in-game tutorial to familiarize yourself with the controls and core gameplay. Mastering the controls is key to success. You can select between Simple Mode, which offers automatic firing, or Advanced Mode for full manual control over your weapons. Take time to customize your heads-up display, or HUD, by dragging and resizing buttons to fit your playstyle. Adjusting your aiming and movement sensitivity in the Settings menu can also significantly improve your precision. For a more traditional feel, consider connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller. Call of Duty Mobile offers a variety of exciting game modes. Dive into classic multiplayer matches such as Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Frontline, each supporting up to 10 players. For a larger-scale experience, jump into Battle Royale, where up to 100 players compete to be the last one standing. Complete daily challenges and participate in seasonal events to earn valuable in-game rewards and level up your player and weapon ranks. To truly excel, always utilize cover effectively and maintain situational awareness to avoid unexpected attacks. Communication is vital. Use voice chat or quick messages to coordinate with your teammates for strategic advantages. Don't be afraid to experiment with various weapon loadouts and attachments to discover what works best for you. Finally, consistent practice in training modes will significantly enhance your aim and movement skills over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.